These originally flew right up to about 1952 with the VVS, or the Russian Air Force. Russians and flew very, very successfully.
And one of their aircraft is preserved in Paris Le Bourget
Museum. Yeah. They love these machines. Down at low level, the Luftwaffe pilots, when they first encountered this, they were very quickly told, do not engage these aircraft at below 10,000 feet because they have an incredible performance. When you see one, or some of the ones that are now flying with the Allison engine, it's a V12, has an incredible turn of speed and manoeuvrability. If you have a look at the wings, very, very pointy wing.
Good roll rate.
Very
sprightlier than a Caribou, it has to be argued.
Absolutely, and I doubt very much that you get any Caribou pilot talking about its scintillating performance.
Or time to climb records.
Definitely not. Beautifully flown by James Crocker.
Now we know the roulettes guys, they have their pressure suits, their G suits, that sort of thing.
What does James do?
Exactly.
James has a hamburger and a glass of milk and climbs into the butterflies. That's about it. It's great to see this aircraft here. We're talking about record breakers and yanks. Turbulence really means something. If you have a look here, you can just see those rings forming there. It was formed by the air spilling